for today, guys, we will having our guests with the Token Minds, shaping the future of Web3. And let's talk about this from episode 1 to 3. If we have given a chance to have speak with them, she's very enthusiastic when it comes to Web3 and crypto. And I met her with several projects before. Of course, Token Mind is one of the leading mainstream in Web3 when it comes to crypto, blockchain, and other. So once again, shaping the future of Web3 with Token Minds, and we have our guest for today, and it's Kay Layson. So please welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah. Welcome to the show, Kay.
Thank you, Vic. Thank you.
How are you?
And hi to all your listeners. So, this is quick introduction. My name is Kay. I'm from Token Minds, a web consultant and a client success lead there. So, thank you for having me here, Vic.
Most pleasure, Kay. So it's been a couple of months since that we last met each other, or we have conversations about Web3, crypto, and I know this is the one reason that why I invited you, because I know that you have this such experience in doing marketing for Web3. So you've been doing this for a very long period of time, and I'm well, our audience will probably love to hear something from you guys and Token Minds. So what exactly you guys are been doing Token Minds, and who are the minds behind the Token Minds?
Thanks, Vic. So, first of all, at Token Minds, we specialize in guiding projects through their Web3 journey. So, we offer them expert consulting in marketing development and strategy. So, we handle everything from tokenomics, white papers, ICO, IDO, IEOs. And you ask about who's the mind of Token Minds. So, definitely that is our founder and director, Rob. So, he launched Token Minds almost a decade ago. It's in 2016. So, with the vision to empower projects to thrive in the Web3 space. So, his passion and expertise drive our mission to support innovative inventors every step of the way.
Cool, that's awesome. So I think you guys had been working for a very long time. I mean, 2016 is something something big for such a project,
Yeah.
right? So good to hear that. In Web3 and in a Web3 space, K, how important is the role versus in Web2? We've been doing Web2 way back then. The traditional business, those are the things that commonly from the fintech. But we know there's a marketing and consulting at the same time. But here in Web3, how do you find it? What is the importance of having a Token Minds in Web3? And what is the role?
Alright. Okay, so despite being introduced a decade ago, I think it was 2013 when the concept of Web3 was introduced, right? So Web3 is still in its early stage and constantly evolving. So a lot of people are thinking, oh, it's too old, but not, yeah, it's still work in progress. So Token Minds plays a crucial role in assisting companies with their Web3 transitions, especially those who are already in Web2. So they have these companies and they wanted to transition to Web3. So Token Minds plays a very crucial role on that. So that Token Minds ensure that they navigate this new landscape successfully. So you asked about the difference between Web2 marketing and Web3 marketing. So unlike traditional Web2 marketing, Web3 marketing, it really requires a deep understanding of these decentralized technologies and community-driven strategies, especially that one, community-driven strategies. Because in Web2, it's more of B2B, B2C, right? So here in Web3, having a community is like a very good strategy. We help bridge that gap. So Token Minds bridge that gap. So making the transition smoother and more effective for those companies who want to transition from Web2 to Web3.
Thank you. That was a very informative answer from UK. Do you think that why should companies need token mine? I mean, there's a lot of competitors right now in the space, in the crypto space, in a Web3. So, do you think why companies should get a token mined, and based on your experience as well?
Okay, so companies need token mass because it's not just like bragging about it, but we've been here in almost a decade. Companies need token mines because we provide tailored solutions that address their unique challenges. Our services are very flexible. Our expertise helps projects optimize their tokenomics, create compelling white papers, narratives, and launch successful fundraising campaigns. So what we do here in Token Minds is we turn complex processes into manageable steps, like a step-by-step guide, empowering companies to focus on innovation while we handle the intricacies of their Web3 journey. So it's like you can focus on what you're good at while Token Minds will be assisting you in every step of the way.
Right, right. Do you see any challenges that you've been seeing for the token mines in Web3? Do you see anything?
Yes, I think yeah, there are a lot of challenges. So one of the major challenges, I think I'll just have to say this, because this is one of the major challenges in this field. I talk to a lot of startups every day. Like their main problem is fundraising. So one of the major challenges is bridging the gap between projects seeking funding and investors looking for quality opportunities. Like last night, I think, or the other night, I listened to a space on X, and they mentioned that there are a lot of investors looking for projects. On the other side, I am talking to a lot of projects looking for funding. So there is definitely a big gap there. So we've encountered numerous projects with great potential, but I think what is lacking is the element that attracts investors. So
And
our role is to sure, go ahead.
yeah, yeah, and it really makes sense that you are the guys who should shape them and prepare them to this fundraise or BC, right?
Exactly. We ensure that they meet the criteria that the investors are looking for, and ultimately fostering a thriving ecosystem of innovation.
Oh, wow, awesome. So for me, it's a good thing to know, especially if I am a startup with crypto and I'm developing some project right now. It's better that there's a guideline or from a staff guide that I can reach out, and your service is available 24 hours. So this thing is very important for Web3 projects, or whether they are working on the DeFi or CeFi. I think it's really necessary to have a token mines. So so one thing more is that companies planning to move from 2 to 3. I mean, from Web 2 to 3. So there are some companies right now, even in UAE and other countries in Asia and Europe, are trying to move to Web 3, implementing the real world asset. What can you advise as part of the team? So if as a consultant, because you guys, I believe you have a professional expertise when it comes to consulting project in crypto and Web3. So what can you speak about them?
Okay, so I think the first piece of advice I would give to companies transitioning from Web 2 to Web 3 is to clearly understand their why. Like a lot of people or a lot of companies wanted to jump in the bandwagon. They wanted to have this real world assets and wanted to jump in and then go to Web 3. So they need to clearly understand their why first, because knowing the purpose behind the transition will guide the how and make the process more strategic and effective. like they have to embrace the unique opportunities Web3 offers. So it's not enough that they wanted to jump and transition to Web3 without even understand what Web3 is.
Yeah, right.
Even the basics like such as decentralization, community engagement,
Mhm.
those things they should really understand and then leverage them to create a more resilient and innovative project.
Exactly, Kay. I agree with that. You mentioned about from the IDO, from the ICO token generation event, um, to the listing process. You guys are
Mhm.
can provide this service. Uh, how about for the community approach? How you guys working on that part?
Okay, so we have actually three separate services on that. As a consultant, we do community management training. So if the company already has a manager, a community manager, so we provide trainings to that manager, community manager. So he or she knows what KPIs or what metrics should be measured in order for the community to be successful or to be more engaged. Second one in terms of community is the community building. And that is like building events, like we're strategizing different events to build or to increase their community members. And then the third one is the community moderation. So for the community moderation, it's the moderators who moderate the communities, making sure that there's no spams or the rules are followed. So
Mm-hmm. Sounds pretty amazing, Kay. So I think that's for now, Kay, and I would like to thank you. Anything you would like to add for our audience and listeners? Because I believe there's a lot of project out there, and I've seen many things in my own eyes. There are hundreds of token are every day. There's a hundred of token are minting and other platform and launchpad. So what can you share about them? Any last word for that?
Alright, thank you, Vic. First of all, thank you for having me here. I know you've mentioned that this is one of three, so it means that this is the first
Yes,
one,
yes,
and
yes.
then
We might have
you're
another one because I would like to invite you for another podcast interview. Def-
thank you.
Definitely.
That is pleasure is mine, Vic. Thank you so much.
Yes.
And anyway, going back to your question, so I'd like to invite everyone to visit our website. It's at tokenminds.co. We're excited to release a series of training videos and step-by-step guide. We've already released two videos. First video is the SEO, Web3 SEO, and then the second one is influencer. So it's kind of the step-by-step guide which you can just follow without it's usually technically these resources are clickbait, but now they're available for free. So it's a way of starting the community and empowering more projects to succeed in the Web3 space. So yeah, so just go to our website and look for the training videos. That is you can have all those videos. For now there are only two or three, but yeah, we're gonna upload more each week. Thank you, Vic.
Thank you, Kay. Once again, thank you so much for dropping to our podcast.